Hi, in the last sessions we learned about table with bars and the heat map, how to create table with bars and heat map using Google Data Studio. In these lessons that we are going to learn all about aggregations or descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics are important in uh, research basically. So in business research, descriptive statistics plays a very significant role. It may be minimum, what is the minimum sale, what is the maximum sale, what is the median sales, what is the sum of total sales, what could be the average sales, all these are important. So we are going to see how we can prepare, how we can get results relating to this. Okay. So what we will do, we will clear all, control all and delete. Okay, we will create a table once again. This is the new screen that we have. So what we will do, we will add a chart. So this is the chart we are going to create. So same once again we will create. So under dimensions, what we will do, we will create subcategory. We will under dimensions we will take subcategory. Sorry, under dimensions, this is the order ID. We will change the order ID into subcategory. This is a subcategory, and matrix we can take it as a sum. It can be sales. Okay. So this is the table that we have got in the last sessions we have also created. So basically that what we can do. So there are some of the options that we can get here. You see, this is a pencil icon. So we can check the pencil icon, and in the text we can see. So what are the options? Okay, suppose take for example. Uh, this is dimensions. Let us not talk about dimensions. We will talk about the metric, because for metric descriptive statistics can be applicable. So you see, this is the sum. Take for example, we are going to use total sales. Okay, we are going to use total sales. Total sales. We are going to make it total sales under certain subcategory. Okay, total sales. So now it has become total sales. So now these are the total sales. Suppose take for example sum of total sales. Take for example book SS sale is this 294396. Similarly for copiers, these are the total. So we can go for report view. We'll see. So these are the total sales. Okay. So we will go for edit. Okay. Total number of rows are 17. So we'll see. Okay, so we will add another dimensions. Take for example, we will see once again sales. We will once again we will see sales, another dimensions. But what we will do, we will see instead of average sales. Okay, we can see the average sales. So we can write it in average sales. Okay, average sales. This is the average sales. So this can be copied. So what is the calculations here? That means this is the total sales divided by number of orders. Okay, this is the calculation that we can add here like that. Okay, so just a minute, I am just adjusting. Okay, okay, we can similarly we can add another. Take for example, we can add total. Suppose take for example, we can see another, like we can bring another. We want to see the profit. Take for example, we want to bring profit to these dimensions. Profit. Okay, total profit. Total profit. This is called total profit. We have brought another dimensions called total profit here. So here we can write total profit, total profit, okay, profit, we can get it here. Let us expand a little, let us expand, okay. So these are the total profit. Similarly, take for example, we will create another, like we take for example, we will add another matrix, profit we will make it, okay, but we will make it average profit, take for example, okay, average profit also, profit, total profit, this is average profit, we will make it as average profit, average, AV, average profit, okay, we can get it as an average profit. So we have we continue to that add matrix against the subcategory, and likewise, suppose take for example we want to see here, take for example we want to see what is the minimum sales. Take for example we want to see the minimum sales. Once again we will bring it sales, we will bring it, what is the minimum sales, minimum sales, this is minimum sales, take for example. So now minimum sales will come, average sales, minimum sales. So we will change it, minimum sales, minimum sales. What is the maximum sales? We can add here once again, maximum sales. Okay, we can bring it sales once again, and we can make it maximum sales. Sorry, it is becoming slow. Max sales. Okay, we can select max. So now another column is there. Accordingly, we can add in the table. Okay, as part of standard deviations, we can add, keep on adding what are the standard deviation of sales, what are the standard deviations of you can see what are the standard deviations or variance of, take for example standard deviations of, suppose take for example, so it is here, so we can see what is the standard deviations of, suppose take for example we want to see the standard deviations of sales, we can add to sales here, okay, we can bring sales once again, sales, total sales, okay. So we can, or we can take for example we will bring here sales, we will bring here sales, and what is the standard deviation of sales or median sales. You can see all these options are already there, we can see all these things, okay. So this is how we can use descriptive statistics as tool, and we can present all these things before by using that Google Data Studio. Okay, so that's for these lessons. In the next lessons that we are going to see some of the comparisons calculations. Thank you.